I am the Frugal Gardener, and this is a bird's eye view of my raised crate island garden. Let's take a closer look. So 3.5 years ago, I decided to build this garden from scraps, from basically free material like crates and pallets that I was able to gather for free. I did spend $5 each for this lawn material, one roll for each side. I designed this garden so I would not have to do a lot of bending. This is the reason why I use the crates not only for the legs for the stand, I also use them for the pots. And it's worked out really well. I have beans growing over here and also have purple beans growing over here as well. And I took out the crates in the center. I added in bins. These are potatoes, actually fingerling potatoes. And here are some cucumbers. There's one here. There's a couple of more in here. And there's also, if you look down in there, you'll see cantaloupe growing. So most of this side here is beans. And then you move around here, you can clearly see I'm growing watermelons. They're coming up. There's some more beans in here. And here's another melon. It's a decent size. These are not regular watermelons. These are the petite yellow watermelons. I do have regular melons growing in other parts of the garden. And there is another melon somewhere in here. Can't seem to find it right now, but it's also a decent sized melon. So there's 4 decent sized melons in here. And in here are tomatoes. This is the other cantaloupe that I'm growing. I have 2 so far. And on this side is mostly tomatoes. I have a whole row of tomatoes growing in here. These are the smaller ones that are just starting to come up. These are a little larger in here. And this is corn. This is not regular corn. This is corn I got from Burpees. These are specifically modified to grow in pots. And over here, this is white potatoes in this container here. That's not a crate. But all in all, I get a nice variety out of this small space that I call my island because of the way that it's set up. And I can walk around the entire garden without any problems. It's worked out real well for me. It is harvest day. It's time for me to harvest these cucumbers, and I'm going to harvest some of these beans to go with the beans I harvested earlier, and a few other things. But I wanted you guys to get a look at this. This is something I'm pretty proud of. My garden is not actually one garden, it's actually 4 gardens. I garden in 4 different areas, and this is just one section that I wanted to show you today. So this is my little update. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Next I will do my, well, My rest of the garden has just been replanted, so I'm going to do my greenhouse slash trellis garden next. Thanks for stopping by. You guys have a great day. Remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you can get notifications when my new videos come out. And I will catch you on the next one. Enjoy your day.